Today I'm really excited to share a brand new feature in Denota called customizations. We've made it really easy for you to edit any template in the Denota platform so that you can customize it to meet your own tone, add in specific details or lines that you like from your own templates, and even use some of Denota's AI features to intelligently write new sections for your own templates. So let's just take a look at how it works. To use the quick customization feature, all you need to do is select one of these templates from the left-hand column. So let's take a look at an example. I'll be going into this restoration composite template and making some changes to help it meet how I want my restoration composite procedure notes to look. So what you see here is the stock standard Denota template. Any sections that are in beige and highlighted, you're not actually going to be able to edit or type into. Anything else is editable, and you can just type and save whatever you want directly in this text box here. So let's say I wanted to edit this risks section. I could just add another risk here, discoloration. Maybe I want to change this section, so instead of until hard and scratchy to probe, I can change this to until caries die not visible. Any of these specifics that you do differently, you can always change and update to meet your own specifications. And once you're happy with it, you can just hit Save Changes. And Denota will now use your copy of this customized template anytime it generates notes so that you have your notes exactly the way you want them. But let me show you one more neat thing that you can do with this customizations feature. You can actually give Denota's AI custom instructions to add sections just by typing a new instruction for it. So for example, if at the very end of this restoration composite notes procedure, I wanted to add a section that just said, give me a detailed treatment plan with all the necessary phases for this patient. Now you don't have to use these curly brackets around it, but sometimes using that helps Denota's AI pick up on it, and it understands this is an instruction and I'm going to try and figure out the best possible treatment plan in this case for my notes. Click Save Changes. Now let's go test out these changes. Click into my day list, create a new note, and let's select that restoration composite template. Click into it, speed through these inputs, so tooth ID 18, mesial occlusal, caries, A2, 2.2, and yes. Now when we write the note, it's going to use our customized version of the restoration composite template. So we can see it's included this discoloration section. It has updated our etch seconds with those details that we changed just a moment ago. And it is using this line about until caries die not visible. And you'll see at the bottom, it has also come up with a little bit of a treatment plan. Now, it may not be the most necessary for this procedure, but you can see how now with these customizations, not only can you edit specific lines and words and details in your templates, you can even give custom instructions for Denota's AI to help you come up with treatment plans, maybe to explore and discuss more risks related to a procedure. Whatever sections you would like to include every time you run a procedure and get it to write your notes, you can now add with a quick customization by clicking into the template and editing the details here. I'll also reiterate that if you want to use your own template word for word, whether that's for a procedure that you can't find in this list, or if you want to customize this but you find that there's too many sections that are blocked off and you can't quite get it the way that you want it, just hit Make a Request, and here you can submit the template name, just confirm your account email so we can link it to the correct account, paste your template as you normally use it, whether that's from a Microsoft Word document or however you're using your templates right now. And then here, just give a brief description of the sections that you typically edit, and that's going to help our team customize and use Denota's AI to help it autofill your notes for you. So for example, in your template, if you always will edit the tooth ID, maybe the shade, or the anesthetic preference, you can just type the variables that are normally changed in your template and submit that with your custom request. We'll try to get back to you within 5, but normally fewer business days. And then you'll see your custom template appear not only on this page, but anytime you generate notes, you'll now have the option to use your own custom template. What I'd recommend is playing around with the quick customization options. You do have a lot of flexibility here, so you can edit and change any of these sections that you like. You can even get rid of entire sections and add your own version to the text. Just make sure you save the changes. Then anytime you use this procedure template, it will use your own customized version. We're really excited to share this with you. I think it's going to give you a lot more personalization in your templates so you can have them just the way that you want. And I'd encourage you to try out some of the AI instructions. Ask it to come up with a section to discuss risks. Ask it for a treatment plan. See what you can get it to do and help you with. Thanks for watching.